Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. In this report, I will generate all the reports, that is stocks near demand and supply zones, daily and 75 minutes, high liquidity zones, and monthly income trade, weekly income trade, and daily income trade, bullish and bearish trade setups, and also the stop buffers. Everything I will generate in the same report. Before the generation, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel, click on this community tab. You will get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to the training lessons. You just click on this link. I'm clicking on the link. Now we are into the supply demand zone price action course playlist. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join that channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any important update we will provide in the Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report will identify stocks near demand and supply zones, and then we will also identify daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zone. After that, we will generate a monthly income trade, weekly income trade, and a daily income trade reports. Okay, for generating the reports, let's start with quarterly time frame, and let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. These two stocks are filtered. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report. You just need to pause the video and you can go through these reports. After that, you can proceed. In case if you doesn't know how to study this report, please complete our training video lesson number 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. There I explained about each and every column, their values, abbreviations, everything I explained in detail. Okay, let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. Currently 5 stocks are near to the quarterly supply zone. Let me generate the next report, changing the time frame to monthly, and let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered near to the monthly demand zone. So let me go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. These 2 stocks are filtered near to the monthly supply zone. Let me go back. Changing the time frame to weekly, let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So nearly 17 stocks are filtered. Let me scroll down. So I'm going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. 5 stocks are near to the weekly supply zone. So I'm going back. Next, I'm changing the time frame to daily time frame. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered near to the daily demand zone. Let us identify the high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. We have Alchem is there, which is near to the high liquidity demand zone, a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune this zone and you should identify the fine-tuned 5-minute zone. And Tata Power you can't take, it is already pierced, so we can't trade on the pierced zones. That means we have identified only one high liquidity daily demand zone from this list. So let us generate the next report. Going back, for daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. 3 stocks are filtered near to the daily supply zone, and there are no high liquidity supply zones in the daily time frame. Okay, let us generate the next report. Next, I am changing the time frame to 125 minutes. So let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. 9 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. 9 stocks are filtered. So let me go back, changing the time frame to 75 minutes, and entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. 3 stocks are filtered, and there are no high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. There are no 75 minutes. There are no high liquidity 75 minutes demand zones from this list. So let me go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 8 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity 75 minute supply zones from this list. HDFC Bank, this is a 75 minutes high liquidity zone and a fresh zone. You need to look for a fresh fine-tuned 5 minute zone. You have one more, Indices Bank, already tested once and 6 rejections from this zone. And we have one more, Tata Communications. Tata Communication is also having a fresh zone. You need to fine tune the zone. So total we have identified 3 high liquidity zones. This is the first one, this is the second and third. So we have 3 high liquidity zones from this list, 75 minute supply zone. Okay, let me go back. Changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. 12 stocks are filtered. I am going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. 5 stocks are near to the 15 minutes demand zone. Let me go back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. 13 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 5 minutes, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. I'm going back and changing the time, for 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. These 14 stocks are filtered. So this is about stocks near demand and supply zones, and we also identified daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones. Now in the next report, let us generate a bullish trade setup and bearish trade setups for different income trades. The first income trade we will select monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, entry time frame is daily, entry zone is demand zone, and bullish or bearish trade setup for daily income, for a daily time frame, because entry time frame is daily, you need to select bullish, and we need to set 3 filters. First filter, zone should not be pierced. So we have a filter called pierced count, because entry time frame is daily. So in daily demand zone, we have to set a minimum value 0, maximum value 0. That indicates pierced count is 0. Pierced count 0 means zone is not pierced. If the zone is not pierced, it is a tradable zone. And the second filter, zone achievement. So zone achievement should always be VOZ, violated opposing zone. Then only it is a tradable zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So with these three filters, all the three filters are applied to daily demand zone. Whichever the time frame you select, whichever the entry zone you select, for that the filters will be applied. Always remember this rule, because I can't explain again and again. So let us generate the report. See, there are good number of stocks currently supporting bullish trade setup. Let me scroll down. 26 stocks are currently supporting. But you should also understand now Nifty, overall market Nifty trend is changed to sideways today. So carefully select these stocks. So total 26 stocks are currently supporting bullish trade setup. Now let us select bearish trade setup stocks for monthly income trade. Going back. So for monthly income trade, entry time frame is daily, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame we are selecting bearish. And whatever the three filters we set, now they will be applied to daily supply zone. Now let us generate the report. No stocks are available. Currently stock supporting, no stocks. Let us check the filter. Daily time frame, entry zone is supply zone, zone achievement VOZ, Y score is greater than or equals to 12. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame we have selected bearish. So that means there are no stocks currently supporting bearish trade setup. Okay, now let me go back. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. For bullish trade setup, we have to set a demand zone, bullish or bearish trade setup at 75 minutes. I am selecting bullish. The three filters. First filter, pierced count in 75 minutes time frame. Minimum value, I am selecting the value 0. Maximum value, I am selecting the value 0. And zone achievement is violated opposing zone. Minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. So with these filters applied to 75 minutes demand zone, let us generate the report. So 10 stocks are filtered. These 10 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So let me go back. For bearish trade setup, entry time frame, weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75, but entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup at 75 minutes, I am selecting the value bearish. And this time all the three filters are applied to 75 minutes supply zone. Now let us generate the report. 4 stocks are filtered that are supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for daily income trade. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes and entry zone for bullish trade setup demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. And the three filters we need to set. First, pierced count should be 0 for 15 minutes time frame. Minimum value 0, maximum value 0 indicates pierced count is 0. Zone achievement is violated opposing zone. Minimum odd enhancer score is 12. Now with these filters are applied to 15 minutes demand zone, because that is the entry time frame and entry zone. Let us generate the report. Now these 5 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. Now let us generate the bearish trade setup. I'm going back. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup in 15 minutes, I'm changing the value to bearish. And the three filters what we selected, now they are applied to 15 minute supply zone. With these filters, let us generate the report. 7 stocks are filtered. Currently they are supporting bearish trade setup. Nifty Bank is also supporting bearish trade setup. Tata Steel is there, HCL is there. Tata Steel is already tested, but it is a high liquidity zone. Okay, now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes and entry zone is demand zone for bullish trade setup, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup in 5 minutes time frame I am selecting the value bullish. And the first filter we are going to set, the POS count should be 0 for 5 minutes time frame. The minimum value should be 0, maximum value 0, indicates 5 minutes zone should not be POS, 5 minutes demand zone, because we selected demand zone. And zone achievement is a violated opposing zone, minimum odd enhancer score is 12. So with these three filters are applied, to 5 minutes demand zone. Now let us generate the report. Currently only one stock is supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Now let us generate the bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. So for hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup at 5 minutes time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. And the three filters, whatever we selected, they are applied to 5 minute supply zone. With these filters, let us generate the report. So we have good number of stocks that are supporting bearish trade setup. Let me scroll the list down. So total 18 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup. Okay, in the final report, let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this is the daily ATR for all the indices and equity stocks listed in F&O category. And this column indicates the daily ATR. 15% ATR use it for MIT trades, 10% ATR should be used for WIT trades, 5% ATR should be used for DIT trades, 3% ATR can be used for HIT trades. And first 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks but taken from F&O category. Let me scroll the list down. Each time when I scroll down, I will be giving you only few seconds time. You can pause the video if any of your favorite stock you want to refer. So let me scroll the list down. So this is the complete list. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.